Okay, so this afternoon, Susan went to the pool and did the pool volleyball, and I went to the art auction. Here's here's a couple of pictures from the art auction. Here's what it looked like, and then here's what it looked like up at the pool deck.
Look what I found! Look what I found! Look what I found! So excited!
Hi, I'm Matthew.
And I'm Susan. Together we love to travel.
One of our favorite places to be
is aboard a Norwegian ship at sea.
Good food, drinks, and friends.
Make a relaxing trip indeed.
So come along with us
as we let the sea set us free.
Okay, it's 4:56, all aboard time's 5 o'clock, and we have 4 people just walking into the gates of the port area just right now. Come on, folks, hustle, hustle. Let's move, move, move. And the chickens are telling them to move too. Crew are working on this boat right here, doing something. On 2 people, I guess. So the security guard set on the shore. There are the last 2 that we've been waiting for.
Oh my gosh.
That's what we call pier running, folks. Pier running. Hawaii style. Island style. Good news, they could have gotten a 717 Honolulu via Hawaii Air to Honolulu. They would have beat the boat, but still, that wouldn't have been very much fun. With that, the horn sounds, and we're going to be pulling out of Kauai here. Airlines flight from LAX arriving here at Wagyu. Cool. We're pulling out of Nawiliwili, and we got an inbound aircraft at the same time. So freaking cool. Only thing that can make it better is if we had a train going at the same time. But there's no railroad tracks here. One last look as we sail out. Good evening.
Hello.
So we have handed over our bags to our room steward.
Are already gone.
Yeah. Poof. We have actually given him his tip bag.
His full face lit up. It was so precious. So
we're going to go down, finalize our pictures. And then we have Moderno.
Mm-hmm.
And then we're going to just chill in the room after that because there's not much else going on, and yeah, we're just going to enjoy our last little bit of vacation. So
on the boat.
And we got to rest up because we got a long day tomorrow in Honolulu.
Yeah. Lots of stuff to do.
We have Iolani Palace, Catamaran, and another luau. Lots of fun, but long day. So we gotta rest up and get our beauty sleep. So, but let's go take care of business and go to dinner. So, let's go. Okay, we're here at Moderno for dinner.
And my trip to the salad bar, I got a variety of salads and some grilled provolone.
Okay, so I got an assorted salad and also some assorted meats and cheeses.
So all the meats have been excellent, juicy, tender, cooked to perfection, and melt in your mouth.
You lay down, we'll throw you out.
Dessert has arrived. I got the coconut flan, and Matthew got the tres leches cake.
Some corrosive glue. Yeah, it needs to say some man, John Rye.
Well, good evening.
Hello.
We had a fabulous dinner at Moderno tonight. And the funny thing was, we had met a couple at the
Shuttle stop.
shuttle stop earlier today, and got talking to him, and come to find out he's a teacher and she works in finance. And
Also a math teacher.
yeah, his name is Gus. Her name was Patrice.
Something like that.
And I ended up sitting right next to him at the art auction. And then we were at Moderno, and they got sat right next to us. So,
That's how we end up making friends.
yes. Yes.
Literally.
Then on our way back, we had to stop by guest services because
Settle
guess what? Norwegian paid us to leave the boat.
Woohoo!
Because there was a change in port taxes, and they gave us $36 in refundable
18 each.
onboard credit, and we didn't spend it.
We didn't spend it.
We actually didn't spend $1 and some odd cents of our non-refundable,
Non-refundable,
but I'm not sad about that because we had a freaking awesome cruise, and
Amazing. Probably one of the best ones ever.
and I'm not paying them anything
Nope.
more.
They
And
paid us.
They paid us.
It can be done, friends. It
So-
can. It really can.
We are gonna relax and just have a calm, collected evening, and enjoy our final night here aboard the Pride of America. We will see you in the morning, and you will come along with us as we do adventures in Honolulu.